The Great Attractor, the scariest object in the universe. Hello everyone! In today's video, Smart is the New Sexy will tell you about the scary yet mysterious object in space everything is being attracted to. It's called the Great Attractor. It's located on the opposite side of the Milky Way, and therefore we can't properly see it. If you want to know more about the mysterious force in space, please keep watching. Like the supermassive black hole that's located in the center of the Milky Way galaxy isn't enough for us. That's right, there's always something interesting right on every corner of our universe, and we want to explore it all. This is the Milky Way galaxy, our galactic home. It's a typical barred spiral about 100,000 light-years across, much like billions of other galaxies in the universe. Our galaxy and other nearby galaxies are being pulled toward a specific region of space. It's about 150 million light-years away, and the best part of it all is that the scientists are not really sure what it is. They call it the Great Attractor. The location of the Great Attractor makes it very mysterious. It's located in the zone of avoidance, the part of our galaxy that is so densely filled with gas and dust that it's almost completely impossible to see through it. Our galaxy, along with other objects in the universe, is being attracted or dragged to that zone. The first evidence of the existence of such a place was published in the 1970s, but only recently scientists managed to see objects within that region with the help of X-ray astronomy. The High Park's All-Sky Survey, HIPASS, provided the first shallow survey of the whole southern sky. In fact, HIPASS was the first sensitive sky survey for extragalactic hydrogen ever made by any telescope. They found the Norma cluster, a large supercluster of galaxies in the area of the Great Attractor. There are thousands of galaxies of different shapes and sizes. Although the total mass of the Great Attractor isn't great enough to pull all the nearby objects toward itself, the galaxies keep moving to something even larger. It appears to be the Shapley supercluster that contains 8,000 galaxies and has a mass of more than 10 million billion suns. Gravitation causes matter to clump together, like our own galaxy and the local group have, and can defeat this expansion if you get a large enough amount of matter together in one location. The largest overdense regions grew into not only galaxies, but into groups and clusters of tens, hundreds, or thousands of galaxies, all bound together in one giant region. Our galaxy, and everything else that's located nearby, is moving in the direction of the monster. The Milky Way galaxy is moving through space at the brisk clip of about 370 miles per second. The Sun and the solar system travel with it. Over the course of billions of years, it draws us and everything near us closer to it. Local galaxies tend to hang out near each other, tied up by their mutual gravity. Of all forces that exist, and that we know of, only gravity can act over such huge distances. So whatever it is, it's massive and unrelenting, a gravitational anomaly. Today, the standard model of particle physics can't explain the gravitational phenomenon and the expansion of the universe. A true scientific breakthrough could happen when scientists make up one standard model that would explain many or even all physical phenomena. However, to date, no scientific theory can explain the origin of the Great Attractor. What makes galaxies move towards that region? The most massive possible black hole would be nowhere near massive enough to cause this effect. Nor is there any supercluster of galaxies to account for it. We're left with the possibility of some yet unknown force. Some scientists suggest that there's a force that we don't yet know about. Maybe some space structures and objects appear due to the plasma currents and its magnetic fields. Others support the multiverse theory. This would present the possibility of many universes being out there. But with that topic in mind, it's possible that universes can start repeating themselves. These uncountable realms sit side by side in higher dimensions that our senses are incapable of perceiving directly. The multiverse theory would partially explain the existence of the Great Attractor. What if our universes got damaged, and all the galaxies, dark matter, black holes, stars, and planets are leaking out through a tiny hole to something unknown? Should we be afraid of the Great Attractor? Would it swallow us someday in the future? After all, the Great Attractor might not be a thing, it might be a place. It's the bottom of the basin where every blob of matter and dust ends up being aggregated. It could be the natural result of a process set in motion more than 13 billion years ago. Unfortunately, we might never know what the Great Attractor actually is. Dark energy will rip the Norma cluster away from us. Still, the Great Attractor is perhaps the most mysterious, apocalyptic scenario of all. What are you hoping we'll discover over in the region of space we're drifting towards? Share your ideas in the comments, and let us know if you like this video.